So for those who follow my channel, I stopped doing customs, fixing, repair. I spent 5 days in the hospital, and I left these projects on on hold. So I hope man, it's been really hard for me during the last few days, almost a week. So anyways, so I just want to give you guys an update that I will post. I hope I can continue with these custom models. Again, I was I've been sick myself, and my kid spent 5 days at the hospital, but we are back. Thanks God, my son Kevin is okay, and thank you everybody for your support, and I hope I can come back. Wait, this is not for Henry. Oh, I'm lost. That's for Gordon. Here's the one for Henry. Yeah, so anyways, I will continue. I don't know what's going on YouTube lately. I have no idea what's happening, so I think I miss a lot. But anyways, for those two Trackmaster 2, I am not really interested on the new models. I think it's only for you guys. I like the old ones, but anyways, and yeah. So anyways, I will try to continue with this, and those who order stickers from me, I will ship them tomorrow, and those who order a lot of customs, they will be on the mail tomorrow too. So thank you anyways for that. And what do you guys think about this? It's looking good. So I'm going to use some vinyl here just for the lining. It's a Golden Henry, and I don't know if you know the drill. Just disassemble, paint, and then put the stickers or vinyl. So it's just an update. Anyways, thank you guys very much for your support, for those super chats, super stickers from the subscribers. Really appreciate it, and I hope I will continue with more customs, fixing, repair, and unboxing from subscribers. All right, see you soon. Bye.